In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog series on WordPress.com, a simple WordPress tutorial for beginners. If you're new to blogging or want to organize your content into a cohesive series, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and make your WordPress journey smoother. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center where you manage your blog's content, settings, and appearance. Once you're logged into your WordPress account, you can find the dashboard by looking for the menu option on the side panel of your site. This is generally your starting point for any kind of blog management. Now, on the dashboard, locate and click on the Posts option. This section allows you to see all the existing posts you have and also gives you the ability to create new ones. Think of this as your primary content management hub. Once you've clicked on Posts, you'll want to move to the next step. Go ahead and click on Add Post. This is where the magic begins. By adding a post, you are starting your journey to create content specifically for your blog series.